person I am here in this CIIIT lab. So this is my electric vehicles lab. Few vehicles. We have different types of vehicles in our lab. 3 two-wheelers, 2 three-wheelers, one Tata Tigor is there, electric vehicle is there, and one buggy type of vehicles we have created. So 4 buggy type vehicles we have in our EV lab. So we can see the complete layout of that vehicles, complete. In our syllabus, basically we are going into the details with the students about automobiles and their system, because in conventional vehicles we have just converted that conventional vehicle into hybrid vehicles, and that hybrid vehicles is converted into fully electrical vehicles, because already automobiles lines and all the systems are set, and it's a huge changes in electric vehicles to prevent from the new. So we are use the conventional vehicle systems and we convert that conventional into electric vehicles. So in our electric subject or electric vehicle subjects, it is a combination of electrical, electronics, IoT based and mechanical, core mechanical. So just in the starting of our courses, we inform or we touch with the students with basic automobiles. What is the automobile? What is the journey of automobiles? From where we start that? And what is the automobile systems? System in sense like suspensions, brakes, clutch, exhaust, then all the other systems like steering, DIWs. So all the informations we share, gearbox, how gearbox is working, how engine is working. So we touch up all the system, automobile system, and then slowly we connect the student with on hybrid vehicles. So as the name indicated, hybrid vehicles, it means we are using different technologies or different powers for run the vehicles, like electric powers and fuel or engine powers like petrol, diesels or consumption. So after the electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles, we will be slowly switch our student on electric vehicles. So this is the lab. Here we are preparing some setups, machine setups for getting the information. As the name indicated, other systems, there are different types of them. This technology is working basically on the simple principle like sense, understand and then act. Different types of radars we are using, ultrasonic radars, lidars we are using. So we pass on this all information how other systems are working in our automotive vehicles or advanced vehicles. Nowadays in Volvo, Mercedes, BMWs, other systems is inbuilt like cruise controls, auto brakings. So all types of technologies available in our vehicle right now. But in future, as all of you know, Google is completely working on the complete autonomous automotive vehicle. So that time these systems is majorly required and need to work on that. So we share all the theoretical as well as some informations about that other systems, automatic vehicles. So and then all of electric motors. Once we know the electric motors, so we doesn't require multi-speed gearbox and differential, or in some vehicles we are using the differential, but we our target is that we need to eliminate the power train. Power train is nothing but the power generated of the engine and it will be transferred to the vehicle. So once our vehicle nowadays many challenges, many innovations is going on in the power region also. So we will be change that. We will be focused on that all the technologies and components. In electric vehicles, basically is the main component for electric vehicles. So we replace the engine and we added this component in electric vehicles. Okay. So DC power and battery pack is working on the DC power. So AC to DC converter and DC to DC converter is also required because we have the one auxiliary battery in our vehicle. Okay, so converter is there, AC to DC and DC to DC, because DC battery pack having the high voltage. Okay, and we convert for auxiliary battery, we need to reduce the voltage. Here is the battery pack. This is the CIIIT auto e-rickshaws. Okay, so this is the battery pack. Okay, this is a 48 and 60 watt battery pack. This is the controller. We are using here 3000 watt motor in this two-wheeler. So we have to it is December. It is not battery pack, the controller unit, this is the DC-DC converters and battery, how it will be work, how it will be understood. So in these two-wheelers, we are using hub motors.
Which one?
Hub motor.
Hub motor.
Means that motor is mounting in the hub itself. Okay. So there is no required any gearbox, no differential, not any cylinder. So that
To make that electric vehicle, because if we have to increase the size of the the charging time,
Yes.
or then physical size of the battery may be increased.
yes. So as all of you know, we replace the engine,
Yeah.
and we replace the battery pack. If we have to increase the range, so that time definitely we have to increase the battery pack.
Battery.
And battery pack having the different weight categories, weight
yeah.
and once you change the weight of the vehicle, so definitely your laden weight and your working unladen weight will be changed. And that time completely ergonomic arrangement of that vehicle, because CG is changed, weight change, then it will CG change. So there will be might be chances of different issues like skidding, like not properly vehicle pulls in one direction. So weight is the major parameters while the designing of we will be focus on that parameter. Second is that battery types. So lead types, nickel types. Right now we are using some ultrasonic capacitors. So the main component of this vehicle is electronics controllers. We call that ECUs. Okay. So this is the VFD kit. It's a variable frequency drive.
Yeah.
So what is the function of that drive? When we accelerated or decelerated the vehicles, so that time sudden increase the frequency change from suddenly to or drop suddenly. So there is a very huge amount of power reduces or losses.
Okay.
So industry working on that also, how we can save that power, how we can use the ultra capacitors. So ultra capacitor, but in two-wheelers definitely we can't use that, because yes. Regarding three-wheelers, four-wheelers, power is distributed to 2 or 4 different wheels. So that time what happens, controller is the main wheel, because it's just I have given you one example. जब हम लेफ्ट टर्न लेते हैं फोर व्हीलर में, तो क्या होता है कि जो लेफ्ट साइड का व्हील होता है, इनर व्हील जिसको हम बोलते हैं, वो कम डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करता है, और मेरा राइट साइड का व्हील ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस करता है. So it means different types of speed is there. So controller का main function है कि how to distribute the power between these two wheels. So this is the main function. And if there is any slippage or any mismatching that in that controller unit, so that can be major sleeping issues, skidding issues might be there will be happen. So industry already concluded that already we have the proven design. We work on that, but electric controller unit, VFD controller unit is the major heart of this electric vehicles, and we will be in our lab. We have the 3 VFD machines. So here we completely give them the presentations, how disassemble this instrument, how it will be work, how it will be executed. We are using the all safety norm safety weapons, instruments and rubber kits itself also. 4-wheelers are available there. I will show you there. So that time you have get some ideas of how it will be work. So, but student, regarding the contents point of view for students, we will share the complete drivetrain, how powertrain is will be work. Powertrain is very important factors in automobile, whether it is conventional vehicles or hybrid vehicles or in electric vehicles. So in hybrid vehicles also we have powertrains explanation.